Welcome to GuideUp. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to add Arbitrum network on Trust Wallet. For that, make sure you get the Trust Wallet application and you're logged into your account. Now, at this home page, at the downside, you can see all the crypto that is in your Trust Wallet. Now, in order to add, you need to simply scroll down and there you can see Manage Crypto option. Simply tap over there. And here you can see all the cryptos or the networks. Now at the search bar, you need to simply search for Arbitrum. Here you can see various Arbitrum option. Make sure to enable the one that says ARB and Arbitrum. Or you can choose the one according to your preference, but I personally prefer this one. Now simply enable the button. After that, you can go back and check. And there you can see that the Arbitrum has been added. And this is how easily you can add Arbitrum network on Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel GuideUp. Thank you.